Greetings everyone. This tutorial was motivated because I have a new client whose first name is Keith. And Keith and I are talking a lot about email and email options using ACT software. In particular, Keith is using ACT Premium Cloud. He's just transitioned to it, and I'm trying to teach him some things and his staff some things about sending email. And at the end of the day, what my discussion always comes back to is a tool that I absolutely love that is called shared email templates. It's by a company called AbleBits. It's $36 and works if you have a Microsoft Exchange account, which in Keith's case, he does. So I think sometimes I have to put the cart before the horse because as I'm trying to teach and explain things, I know this tool exists and I absolutely love it. So Keith came to me and said, I want to be able to send emails out to people using the mail merge feature in ACT Premium Cloud. Now, just so you know, there are some different options there, and mail merge has pros and cons. So on the assumption for a minute that the mail merge feature is not the best way to send emails to multiple people, this is an option that you can send to small groups or individuals. So let me tell you what I mean. Let's say this particular contact, William, we want to send him an email about our chocolate ice cream. Well, over here on the right-hand side, I have pre-written a template, and I just called it Chocolate One, and this is the body of it right here. So if I want to send this email to William, all I have to do is click on Chocolate One, and it does two great things. One, I get it to pre-fill the subject line, and two, the body of the email. So this template tool saves the subject line and the body. So now if I want to hit send, I hit send. But now let's look at the speed of this. Obviously, whenever you go to send an email, you got to write the email, so that's a given. You got to write the subject line. What I'm suggesting is do that in advance with the knowledge that you want to send this email out to William. So now I'm on William. Let's say I want to send him a quick email. Let me show you how quick this is. I'm going to click on email. Microsoft Outlook is going to open. Shared email templates is going to open, and this time I'm going to send chocolate 2. I'm going to hit send, and I'm done. Literally, it takes 10 seconds or less. So the reason I'm showing you this tool is because my knowledge of this tool, the knowledge of how quickly you can do it, he could have sent this email blind carbon copy to 25 people very easily. But having stated that, you can also go through these one by one and within 10 seconds or less, send an email out. And the advantage of doing it one by one is because you might look at a contact and say, yep, I'm going to send him chocolate 1. But maybe chocolate 2 is a slight variation that has other information in it. So in other words, when you look at a contact, give them 10 seconds of love and make a decision on which email makes sense. When I have these emails pre-written, maybe they could be slight variations. You know, maybe chocolate number 2 talks about the chocolate ice cream if you're lactose intolerant. Or chocolate 3 is the chocolate ice cream with the chocolate chips. And you know William really likes chocolate chips. So my point being this, I think sometimes contacts deserve a little bit of attention. And if you rewrite these emails and do slight variations, I think you'll be shocked at the response you get. So this is just one way you can use this tool. The shared email templates is $36. They have a team edition, so you can write these emails and share them with your team. So one person can write them, and then you can have a systematic approach within your team for sending these out. So in other words, I write it, but all the members of my staff could use this. So it really changes the way you think about email because it makes it so quick to send out an email. Okay, my friends, thank you so very much. Have a great day. Bye now.